In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do email marketing in Keap step by step. To get started, log into your Keap CRM. Before you build any email campaign, take a moment to prepare your contacts properly. This is an important part of email marketing because the success of your campaign depends on sending the right message to the right people. You can add contacts manually or import them using a CSV file. Make sure your contacts have valid email addresses and organize them using tags, lists, or other contact details so your audience is easier to target later. Once you're inside Keap, go to Comms and click on Email Broadcasts. This is where you create one-time emails that you want to send to a selected group of contacts. Next, click on Create Email Broadcast. In this example, we're creating an email campaign for school enrollment, so the message will be focused on encouraging people to sign up. After that, click on Add Subject. In the subject field, type Enroll Now for this example. Your subject line is one of the first things people will see, so it should be short, clear, and relevant to the email content. Once you've entered it, click Save. Now click on Add Audience. This feature allows you to choose who will receive your email. Instead of sending the broadcast to everyone in your database, you can select a specific group based on your contact organization, such as tags or lists. This helps make your campaign more relevant and improves engagement. When you're done choosing the audience, click Save. Next, click on Create Content. This opens the area where you'll choose the email design. Add education as the filter so you can narrow down the template options related to your campaign. Then find the template you want and click Preview. Keap includes ready-made templates that can save you time, which is especially helpful if you don't want to create your email from scratch. Previewing helps you check the layout and style before making your selection. Once you've found the right template, click Use this template. Make sure the template matches the purpose of your campaign and is appropriate for the audience you selected. After that, click Save and Exit to return to the broadcast setup. Finally, click on Send Broadcast. Before sending, a great tip is to segment your contacts carefully. Avoid sending every email to your entire database. Using tags and contact information helps you deliver a more targeted message, which usually leads to better results. Once your contacts, content, and setup are properly configured, Keap can make email marketing much more efficient and manageable. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.